Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made these really cool coasters out of a ceramic tile, and then I did a paint pour on top of them, and then I'll be coating them with Artworks resin. So here I'm just doing a paint bloom. It's a technique you can learn online on how to blow out paint blooms. There's a mixture of ingredients that goes into this, but you can do any kind of painting that you want on these coasters. This is coaster number 2, coaster number 3, and coaster number 4. That will make a complete set. I let these coasters dry for about 3 days before I went to the next step. I went ahead and mixed up a batch of Artworks resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. It comes in a part A and a part B, and you mix it for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to pour about a tablespoon of resin into the center of each coaster, and using my gloved hand, I'm just going to spread it around to all of the sides. Then when you're done, you just grab your torch, and moving quickly, going back and forth, you just hit them gently to try to pop any air bubbles. And after 24 hours of drying, this is the end product. Look at that shine. Thanks for watching. Bye.